This is a problem of sequence and series. There are two ways to solve this problem. First one is by proper method, and second one is with the help of options. So first of all, let's try the second method and then we'll come to the first one. Here first term is 2 upon 2 raised to power 4 minus 2 square. This is equal to 1 by 6, and second term is equal to 3 upon 81 minus 9, that is 72. So it is 1 by 6 plus 1 by 24, or 5 by 24. This will be greater than 1 by 5, that is more than 0.25. Now if we have look at the options, first option is less than 1 by 5, therefore it cannot be the answer. Same is the case with second option, and third option is around 1 by 4, that is greater than 1 by 5. Next option is around 1. So here it can easily be noted that the value of subsequent terms will be very small, and if we add these values, our sum would not be anywhere near to 1, as these values would be very small. Therefore our answer has to be option C, and here there is no doubt that option D could also be a possible answer, or it could be the answer, because its value is way above than the possible value of this sum of the series. Now coming to the proper method, here first term is 2 upon 2 raised to power 4 minus 2 raised to power 2. This can be written as 2 raised to power 2 minus 2 into 2 raised to power 2 plus 2. Next term can be written as 3 upon 3 raised to power 2 minus 3, and 3 raised to power 2 plus 3, and so on. And the last term will be 1 by 15 square minus 15 into 15 square plus 15. Now first term can be written as 2 by 2 into 6. Next term is 3 by 6 into 12, and so on. And last term is 2 10 into 240. Now if we multiply, in fact in numerator it will be 14, in fact 15. If we multiply this whole expression by 2 and divide by the same quantity, we'll get 1 by 2, 4 upon 2 into 6 plus 6 upon 6 into 12 plus 30 upon 210 into 240. We know that a upon x into x plus a can be written as 1 by x minus 1 by x plus a. So similarly this expression can be written as 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12 and so on. 1 by 210 minus 1 by 240. 1 by 6 will be cancelled by 1 by 6. Similarly 1 by 12 will be cancelled by 1 by 12 of the next term. In this fashion only two term will be left. These are 1 by 2 and minus 2 by 40, and on simplification we'll get 119 by 480 again, which is option C.